Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We have another unboxing. Although this one is a little different. This is from the indie brand Lime Crime. I know that they're not super indie, but when they said that they had a $50 mystery box, you know me in mystery boxes. I can't help myself. So here it is. It finally came today and this is it. It's really tiny, really tiny. So I left my eyes unfinished in hopes that there was going to be a palette in here. Let's see what we got. All right, look. I didn't open it. Aren't you proud of me? I'm getting better just for you guys. I'm learning to control myself. Now, if I could only control myself when I'm reaching in the refrigerator. All right. The inside of the box looks like this. Let's see what we got. Just a sneak peek. There's not much to see there. Let's see. Okay. The first thing that we have in the box, this Lid Light Soft Suede Shadow in the shade Majestic. Ooh, that sounds pretty. The box looks like this. In the shade Majestic. Focus, bitch. There we go. You have to know how to talk to these things. And, ooh, there we go. So pretty. All right, let's swatch this. This is like a purplish blue, and it is a very soft, creamy, wet formula. It's pretty, but it's not as pigmented as you would think. There's one swipe right there. I'm gonna go in with another swipe and see what she does. Still, it's pretty, but it's not super pigmented. But we'll see how it does on another day over some other eyeshadows. So that's really pretty. I was expecting it to be blue from the way it looked to here, but it's actually more of a purple. All right, let's see what else we got. We have this Diamond Dew Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Chameleon. It looks like this. Ooh, this is very pretty. Do a swatchy. They're a little oily. Let's see if maybe I'm supposed to shake it up first. That's better. It is very sparkly as well. It's very pretty. So these are two products that I'm excited to get just because I've never used this formula from this brand before. The next thing we have is a Velveteen in the shade GG, which I really love this formula. I think it's really soft and really pretty. I just hope it's not too close to the shades that I already have. No, it's like a brown, like a nude brown. It's pretty. Let's put it on right now. Ta-da! Hey, that's actually a really pretty shade. I like that shade a lot. All right, one last thing in the box, and it is the palette. The Venus 2, which is great, except for I only have one palette from Lime Crime, and this is the one that I have. It's a really, really nice palette. It's got this unique grunge color story that I really, really liked, which is why I bought it, but I already have it and I depotted it. So, I mean, I guess it's nice to have it again. It looks like this. It's a really, really pretty color story. So I guess I don't mind having it again. All right, well, let's do a look with it anyway. Okay, get rid of that. I am going to start with the shade Mud right here. I don't think it looks like mud. I think it looks more like clay, but who am I to judge? And I am just gonna put that in my crease. The mattes are blending out really, really nice. Lime Crime has a really nice formula, especially for their mattes. Next, I am going to go into the shade Jam with that same brush and go right over that. Gonna take my fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the shade Mustard, and I'm going to use that just to blend it out. Very good. Now I am going to go in the shade Pigeon, which is kind of like a brownish green duochrome. And I am gonna pat that right here. Just a little crochet. All right, and then we're gonna go in the shade Fly. And we're gonna put that right there in the outer corner. I am just going to do my eyeliner and pop on some lashes, and then we will have our final thoughts. I'll be right back. Okay, and we are back. Here is the final look with the lashes and some eyeliner, and I cleaned up my brows a little bit. So, was this box worth $50? Yes, because the palette alone is and was and still does retail for $38. It is a really nice palette. I really enjoy this palette. I did break some of the shades when I depotted it, so I guess I am glad to have this again, because it was, you know, the palette that I did have from this brand got a lot of love. And then we had the two eyeshadows and the lipstick, which all are very, very nice and wearable. So overall, I'm pretty happy. Yeah, I think it's worth $50. I kind of wish I had gotten the $75 one though, because I saw other people opening those up and they got the really, really big Venus palettes, which I really would have loved to have. But oh well, we got what we got, and I'm not disappointed. So this was actually a pretty good mystery box. Thank you so much for watching me, guys, and please like, subscribe, leave comments below, give me your engagement. I want it all. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Carpe Cynthia. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!